Welcome to our video on understanding the basics of building your first off-grid power system. In this video, we will walk you through the fundamental concepts and steps involved in setting up your own sustainable and independent power solution. Whether you're planning to live off the grid, looking for a backup power source, or simply interested in reducing your carbon footprint, this video will provide you with the knowledge you need to get started. Before diving into building your off-grid power system, it's crucial to assess your energy needs. In this scene, we will explore the factors that determine your energy requirements, including the appliances you use, daily energy consumption, and seasonal variations. Understanding your energy needs will help you appropriately size your power system for optimal efficiency and cost-effectiveness. To build your off-grid power system, you'll need to understand the key components involved. This scene will introduce you to the main elements, such as solar panels, batteries, charge controllers, inverters, and backup generators. We will explain how these components work together to generate, store, and deliver electricity, ensuring a reliable power supply even in remote locations or during emergencies. Properly sizing your off-grid power system is essential for meeting your energy demands. This scene will guide you through the calculations and considerations involved in determining the right capacity for your solar panels, batteries, and other components. By accurately sizing your system, you can optimize its performance, avoid overloading, and make the most of your available resources. Once you have assessed your energy needs and sized your system, it's time to move on to the installation process. In this scene, we'll provide step-by-step instructions on how to install solar panels, set up battery banks, connect charge controllers and inverters, and ensure proper grounding and wiring. Following the correct installation procedures is vital for the safety and efficiency of your off-grid power system. Building your off-grid power system is just the beginning. Regular maintenance and monitoring are crucial for ensuring its long-term performance and durability. This scene will cover essential maintenance tasks, including cleaning solar panels, checking battery health, and troubleshooting common issues. We'll also discuss monitoring systems that allow you to keep track of your energy production and consumption for better system management. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our video on understanding the basics of building your first off-grid power system. We hope this information has provided you with a solid foundation for embarking on your alternative energy journey. Remember, building an off-grid power system requires careful planning, but the rewards of energy independence, sustainability, and cost savings are well worth the effort.